Hello friends, katal job ni notification te boi hastane jobs YouTube channel no rojotna lamsogo fighting kesang tini neli agotala ni bisingte katal job ni notification kaisa na lenai o posongka working interview ni bisingte selection khaijaknai hinke or address jak tango RK Nagar Khairpur Agartala 799008 nelit ni website jak tango te contact number jak tango o notification ni bisingo norok dawa tongkhe norok contact number call khaina notification ni full details na skina mana omongkha working interview ni bisingte contract basis tilanjaknai name of the post hingke receptionist cum counselor ni bagai vacancy ekta tongnai essential qualification ke graduate khaijanangnai tei logio English Hindi Bengali and Kokborok ni good communication skill tongna nangnai office assistant ni bagai vacancy ekta tongnai essential qualification graduate tei logio good written and communication skill in English tongna nangnai tei norok ni thani MBA in HR business system eba similar branch tongke naro preference jaknai ni sajak o post ni bagai working interview ni derongka 26 October 2023 tarikh o thangoi norok working interview marinai hinke norok jara o post ni bagai interested candidate tongnai norok 26 October 2023 tarikh thangoi no working interview rimano age limit hingke 25 years tei monthly stipend jaknai 10,000 per month ge reporting time rijak tongo 9:30 AM ni simi 11 ta job posting ni location rijak tongo Nelit Agartala eba study center Sopari Bagan tei Khumlung o tinta location norokno posting rijaknai Naranogui mankana Nelit Agartala ni bisingte katal job ni notification omahai katal job ni notification ni bagai hastani jobs YouTube channel no subscribe khlai sabuk khade tei katal job ni notification